Welcome back to the AutoLooks.net Tidbit Show. I am your host, Mr. Everett J., bringing to you some amazing news that happened in August. Over in Europe was their best sale for EVs and PHEVs, outselling diesel products the first time. Now, we all know the electric industry is blowing up right now, plus the hybrid industry is making grounds and trying to convert people from an internal combustion engine over to fully electric vehicles. Not something that we personally want to get into, but the EV charge is here. And in the European continent, people are taking notice and buyers are outselling diesel products, which have been known to be rolling coal and blowing smoke. Now, diesels aren't in a way the most dirtiest product in the world for vehicles, but they're being outshadowed by their ICE counterparts and the EV world. So, European Union, your auto sales are doing amazing within the green electric